Gas snow blower installation. Use tire to raise the machine body to facilitate subsequent installation. Remove the bolts on both sides of the case. Install the lower handle. 2 bolts on the right, 1 bolt on the left. Remove 3 lock bolts and nuts on the lower handle. Install the upper handle onto the lower handle. Secure the upper handle with the previously removed bolts and nuts. Install the cleaning tool on the upper handle. Cut the strips on the control levers to free the shift plate. Install the drive control rod into the hole on the shift plate and turn the rod up to secure. Install another end of the rod into the hole on the drive speed control lever and secure it. Remove the rotator disc and bolts from the chute assembly. Attach the rotator disc and the chute deflector onto the chute base. Secure the rotator disc with the previously removed bolts. Attach the rear end of the chute rotator to the handle. Attach the front end of the chute rotator. Secure the cables with the clips on the handle. Install the skid plate into the 2 holes on each side of the auger housing. Install the wheels on the axle under the engine and secure with pins.